What's up, you guys? It is Ashley here with Dancing with Ash, and this is our final week of our turn series. I can't believe it. We're going to be learning a routine today that's incorporating all the turns that I highlighted in the past weeks. We're going to have spirals, we're going to have swivels, we're going to have pivots. Yeah, it's all here. And this 8/8 count dance is so fun to play with when you put it to music. And what's great is you can do it to Foxtrot music, you can do it to West Coast swing music, you can do it to cha-cha music. It doesn't matter, as long as it's the 4/4 timing, you're good to go. And this routine may be familiar to some of you that took a workshop with myself, Trish, and Melissa long time ago, like probably 7 years ago, I want to say, give or take. And I just had to bring it back because it was so much fun. It's such a great routine to incorporate all these turns. So I hope you guys enjoy. Maybe it'll take you back down memory lane, but let's grab our dance shoes and let's meet out on the dance floor. All right, you guys, so before I break down the counts and the footwork, I want you to take into account that no matter what music you play, your arms and body movement, the timing of it could change a little bit, right? Instead of an ooey gooey movement here, maybe it's something sharp and poppy there. You can change that. That's up for interpretation as for you as a dancer with the music, right? But the footwork is here, the counts are here, then everything else you can play with. So I wanted to make sure we go into that with that intention, that if I do something here, it doesn't have to stay that way, but the footwork for sure to the counts is what we want to focus on, okay? So I'm going to move up a little bit. We're starting on our left foot. We're going to take our right foot back. We're going to go 1, settle the hip, 2. You're going to take back 3, settle the hip, 4. Now it's going to be quick walks, 5, 6. Now we're going to booty roll to the right, 7, 8, right to left. Then we're going to sit on 1. I'm going to go down, right, 2, 3, up, 4. I'm going to pop my left leg, 5, 6, I'm into my left leg, and then 7, 8, I'm into the right. Now we're going to go into our second 8 count, into our third. It's going to bleed together. So I'm going to step forward on 1, 2 on my left leg, left side forward. Now here is our first turn, which is a pivot turn. We're going to go 3 and 4, okay? Then from here, we're going to go into a spot turn. 5, 6, walk, 7, 8. Now I'm going to turn another spot turn to the left. 1, 2, walk, 3, 4. It's another slow. Then I'm going to do a Susie Q. 5 and 6. And I'm going to go up 7. My ceiling's a little slow here. 7, slow, I mean low. 7, drop 8. Okay? So I'm going to go through that again. Yeah, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, booty, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, pop, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And I got this little drop here with the head. You don't necessarily have to do that, but that's the option there. Okay? So what we're going to go into next after we did our drop 8, we're going to go into a body roll. So I'm going to take my head to the left for 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to sit again, pop my right hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. I go into that. So when I'm popping this hip, I'm turning my knee. I'm rotating my heel. It's another way of thinking about it because my femur is rolling. 5, 6, and then I go into it 7, 8. So let's try that again. So we just sat in here on 8. So I'm taking the head to the left. 1 to start the body roll. 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm taking a kiss. 7, 8, and blowing it out to the right. Again, you can do whatever you want. If it's a song that's edgy, maybe you want to give the middle finger. Maybe you want to give peace signs. It can be whatever gesture you would like, right? I'll leave that up for interpretation. So we did 7, 8, body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2. Sorry. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I actually taught you guys that wrong. We're all human. Let's do that again. See, for me, it's different when you like go back and go through it slowly versus fast. It just feels different. So sometimes we screw up. So let me break that down again. So 7, 8, we do our body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, that is correct. All right, so then what we're going to do from here, all right, we're going to go into another turn. This is our 3-step turn to the left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm bringing my right foot in to then go into a spiral. Then we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. And when I say spiral, I meant swivel. Yeah. All those S words for turns. Can't keep it straight. Okay, so we, again, going over that 8 count. So we did our little kiss here, peace signs, whatever. You're going to go into your 3-step turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, swivel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring that back in. Now for our last 8 count, this is the hardest sequence. We're going to continue a swivel. We're going to step with the right. 1, 2, turn to the right. Now I'm going to step with the left. 3, 4. Now we have one more turn left. That's our spiral turn that's happening right after this. So then you're going to go 5, 6, and we have one more turn where we're going to step forward, 7, 8. And then we sit in it looking over our right shoulder. That's the whole routine. That last part, you guys, is meant to challenge you, challenge your balance, challenge your core, where you're placing your weight. It will take you a while to get it, and that's the fun part of it and also the hard part of it, right? So let's go through the top, all of it with counts, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like to music, which is one of my favorite songs as well as favorite dances, which is Foxtrot. So, all right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Susie Q. 5 and 6, 7. Body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kiss 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4. Swivel 5, 6, 7. Swivel 1, 2, 3. Spiral 5, 6, 7, 8. A. And that's our 8 count routine with all the turns incorporated in it. So have fun with it and check out this routine to Foxtrot.
I'd like to tell a little story that's been told time and time again about the foolish men who chase me, my discarded men. They used to tell me they loved me, but I knew better. I find them looking round the corner, my discarded men, piercing eye.
Oh my gosh, you guys, that was so much fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. If you really enjoyed this, share it with your friends. That would be amazing. And if you like what you saw and would like to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I drop videos every Thursday. And yeah, I'll see you on the dance floor soon.